Right now it's about 4:40 p.m. and I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Astha Trade. So here I am, and before I go anywhere, if you want to get in touch with my team, these are the various ways you can get in touch with them. You can follow us on Telegram. This is our website, Facebook, Twitter. You can just WhatsApp us or you can just call us up. These are the various ways. And I'm sure you are present on my Telegram, my YouTube channel and on my Telegram channel, both, right? I'm just expecting that, right? Because on YouTube, I give some traits which are there for a few days or few weeks on or I teach something, but on in my this particular Telegram channel, I talk about the stocks which are giving intraday breakouts. So if you haven't joined yet, please join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel, and I had given only two stocks today here. One was Lupin and the other was Indigo, right? Indigo, buy at 1336. You can have a look at Indigo. Where is Indigo? Here is Indigo. When I gave it, after that it went till this point, right? It made a high of 148.75. That's the high that's the high made by Indigo, right? So and the lot size is 500, getting about 1200 points. 12 points is not less. The other trade that I had given on this channel was Lupin, right? I had given Devils, but this didn't initiate. Other trade that I had given was Lupin. So I gave a buy at 996 and have a look at it, how Lupin just moved from there. This is how Lupin is, right? It just continuously kept on going from here. There was no looking back, right? So these are all unidirectional trades. Your stock will never come back and hit the stop loss. This is the beauty of Stock Pro setup, right? So you can also follow me personally on my Twitter account. Here also I keep doing some analysis, some research. I keep posting, like today I posted Eat Perry and I said that weekly and daily breakout, right? And this stock is on my radar for a long time, right? So I haven't provided the graph, but I should have done that. Let me just post the graph as well, maybe sometime later. So I'm going to take you through some stocks which I feel, oh, before I forget, just give me a minute. I want, so this is the video I had made on 7th of September, right? I had said that there is a breakout that can be expected in Tata Consultancies, TCS, HCL Tech, Mindtree. Look at all these stocks. If you just have a look, I will show you the screen, the slide that I have made the other day, and you can have how precise the stocks are, right? I've done the ranking also, and I've showed that these are the stocks that are looking very, very good to me. So where is my here? So see here TCS, and I think I have later on improved it a little bit. So I added Mindtree, TCS. These were my stocks on the buy side, right? And on the next day, right? These are the stocks on 7th, and have a look at the stocks that I've given on 9th. There were only 3 stocks that I had given, and the stocks were Dr. Reddy, all the pharma stock, right? I have given 3 pharma stocks. I've given Dr. Reddy, Biocon, and Torrent Pharma, right? So, and I've also discussed about Zeal, right? Have a look at all the 3 stocks. They gave massive breakout today, and I'm expecting that continuation. Massive. See, Dr. Reddy made this movement, right? Then Biocon also gave a breakout, and Torrent Pharma also gave a good breakout, 67 points, right? So all these 3 stocks are looking good, but now today I'm going to come up with some new stocks. And the first stock that I have on my radar is Apollo Tires. No, Apollo Hospital. Sorry. Apollo Hospital, right? So I'm going to just write it here. I'll write it in a minute. So Apollo Hospital has been this range bound. You can see, right? This channel was not broken. Today, this channel has been broken above this place, 1700. We have a definite target till if 1700 is broken. And once again, why 1700 is important? Can you please write in the comment box, guys? If you have been watching my videos, I talked about TCS, I talked about Mindtree, I talked about Zeal, I talked about the 3 pharma stocks, Torrent, Biocon, and Dr. Reddy. And I'm asking you right now, why 1700 is an important milestone? Why this need to be crossed, and that to be what with volume? So please, you please write it in the comment box, because this is your learning process. If you mind these points, finer nuances about the stock, you will actually become a good trader, right? So please write it in the comment box and share my videos with others if you make money and if you find them worth, you know, learning. Please share it with us. So once 1700 is crossed, I'm definitely having a target of 1800, right? See here, 1800 is where I will be targeting. And if 1800 is broken, because 1800 is a very, very strong resistance. See here, if I make this a weekly graph, you can have a look at it, that 1800 is its lifetime high, right? 1800 is going to be its lifetime high, and breaking that will be a very, very difficult task for it. And please again write in the comment box, why is it difficult for Apollo Hospital to cross? But if the momentum comes, there is a good probability that it may break the high as well, right? But depending upon, this is what is the boundary line for the stock. So 1800 has to be crossed convincingly, right? So this is on my stock. I'm holding its calls. The next stock that I have is on my radar is UPL, United Phosphorus. Just have a look at the stock. Like, this stock has been time and again respecting this trend line very strongly, right? I mean, if I just have to touch this particular point, it has been just, heading in the upward direction, right? So this is how it looks on a daily time frame, and RSI has just gone above 60. And if I make it weekly, that gives a more promising picture. Look at the pull out, pull back at this place 1 week back, and this week it looks very voluminous, right? But the only condition is UPL has to go above 533. I'll show you why is it so important. 533, what is so important about 533? So this place, if you have a look, is a very, very strong support zone, right? So please remember, and at the same time, it's a very strong resistance zone as well. So support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, right? So this is a place of great resistance, at the same time great support. So UPL, if crosses 535 with volume, will definitely head up till 600, right? That's my predict. That's what I believe. Let's see how it goes in next couple of days. And the best way to trade, if you want to trade in such stocks which are giving you good breakout, is don't trade in the current month, trade in the next month, right? That means don't trade in the month of September, trade it for the futures lot of October. So you get the longer time period. And because these are not intraday trade, these are positional trades, you hold them for some days and you find a breakout coming in. Then Infi, right? Look at Infi. This is my third stock today. Infi is beautifully holding itself in this range, right? And have a look at it on the weekly time frame, right? On the weekly time frame also, it looks to be, you know, uh, first it had some kind of a correction, and then again bouncing back with volumes, right? So that looks good to me, and the way RSI is moving is also very, very promising on the weekly time frame. See here, this is how this RSI is heading in the upward direction. So to me, Infi still looks very promising, but the only condition is that it has to, on a closing basis, it has to close above this boundary line, one, and at least stay here above this point, which is because now it's standing on a very, very important landmark of 1000, right? Again, please write in the comment box why 1000 is such an important landmark, right? So 1000 has to be broken, and this has to close above 1000. Then you will be expecting some kind of a move in it. My last stock for today, I'm not actually saying last, but I have two more stocks. This is Cummins India, right? Cummins India is looking very promising to me. Actually, I entered somewhere here. I entered in this stock somewhere here at this place. I had a lot of calls huge amount of calls I had, which I exited when I saw this exhaustion coming in. But again, it's becoming very promising, right? So above 500, you can definitely go for a buy above 500. Your stop loss could be about 470, 30 points ka stop loss, and target could be open, right? It could be 550, 525, 550, 575, and 600. As I'm saying, because I'm doing analysis on the daily time frame and look at the weekly time frame, you have to hold it for 2-3 weeks, right? To get the really good return out of it, you have to trade in the longer time period. And look at the RSI, right? Again, just have a look at RSI. It looks very promising to me. One. Second thing is, look at this trend line, which is getting respected in the weekly time frame. And also have a look here. Right, so this looks very, very promising to me as of now. It had huge open interest today and a lot of buying has also come in. So Q-Mins India looks very promising to me. I have Cipla also on my radar, right? But I would like to go for Naukri, right? Naukri.com or InfoEdge, because this stock is on a lifetime high, right? And a few weeks back, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks back, it has made a high of 3580, right? 3580 high it has made. So this high or 3600 has to be broken convincingly. If this 3600 is broken convincingly, you can expect at least 10% move, means minimum 300 points or 350 points I'm expecting, and your stop loss will be something very small. I mean, I'm going to buy at 3600, my stop loss will be 100 points, my target will be minimum 300 to 350 or maybe 500 points, right? So that's going to be my target for Naukri. So I would just shift it here. And these are the stocks that I have given already, but they are still looking very, very good. So guys, this is what I wanted to share. And today market was led by pharma and later on joined by IT, right? But if you look into the metal, you look into the bank, little weakness in the banking stocks and little weakness in the metal stock. I don't know how Nifty is holding. I'm expecting, like, according to my own perception, if if metal and bank nifty are weak, there is a weakness lying ahead in the market, right? But somehow maybe the nifty is being managed by lifting up some sector or the other. Right now it's IT and the pharma, but as long as the rally continues, we would like to enjoy and make good money. So with this, I'm signing off, and guys, remain connected. You can be on my Telegram channel, you can be connected with me, or you can even follow my stockpro official uh, Twitter account. That also is us. So 3 stocks: Apollo Hospital. I'll just show you the screenshot here. Here. So Apollo Hospital, Q-Mins, UPL, Infi, Naukri, right? I have given all the details that I want to give, and probably I'll write down their entry, exit, and everything on the Telegram channel. So if you're not there, please come over there. I'll write down the stop loss, I'll write down the targets. You can keep them on your radar for next few days or for next few weeks. And as I told you, if you want to play for longer duration, because we're doing our analysis on the weekly time frame, go for the October contract, right? But there are ways to reduce your margins, and that we teach in our classes. And how do you manage your trade, how do you enter, how do you exit, all will be taught in the class. Take care. Bye bye. See you once again. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain, a SEBI-registered research analyst, and I'm signing off and expecting you all to make good money. Take care of your health, take care of your money, take care of your parents. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow with some new video.